Today I discuss alternating currents. Alternating currents means I draw one graph nana. Here this is the time t, this is the voltage. This is the alternating voltage graph. Okay? According to this graph, voltage changes 220 volts to minus 220 volts. That means here 0, here 220, here 0, here minus 220. That means voltage changes, okay, in magnitude, and here tangent drawn, here tangent drawn, here tangent drawn. Tangent gives the direction of voltage. That means here voltage direction also changes, okay. That means simply called as alternating current or alternating voltage means with respect to time its changes. Okay, the current changes its magnitude and direction with respect to time. That is called alternating current. Generally AC, it's simply called as AC. Okay, this AC can be used our household purposes. మన హౌసెస్లో వాడేది ఏసీ నాన్న. అయితే ఇది మనకి ఇంట్లోకి ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ పంపించే ఏసీ ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ కరెంట్ ఆర్ ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ వోల్టేజ్ 50 హెర్ట్జ్ నాన్న. 50 హెర్ట్జ్ మీన్స్ 50 సైకిల్స్ మేడ్ పర్ సెకండ్. అంటే 1 సెకండ్లో ఇలాంటి సైకిల్స్ ఎన్ని వస్తాయి అంటే 50. అసలు ఇంతకీ సైకిల్ అంటే ఏంటో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, this is the graph nana. Here this is called cycle nana. This is called positive half cycle, positive half cycle. This is called negative half cycle nana. Here Indian government follows household purpose to transport the power is alternating current. This current here nana, here. Okay, this is called here to here called as cycle, one cycle nana. This is called positive half cycle, this is called negative half cycle. Positive half cycle and negative half cycle according to diagram phase difference is 180 degrees nana. That means opposite phase. Okay, next I discuss nana direct current nana. Here look here, this is I or V nana. Here T nana. Here time changes but current or voltage does not change nana. That current is called direct current, that voltage is called direct voltage. That means its current or voltage does not change with respect to time nana. దీనికి best example battery. That means in the inside the battery storing current is direct current nana. Storing voltage is dV, direct voltage. Simply called as AC means current changes with respect to time nana. That is called AC. Current does not change with respect to time is called as DC. That means, okay, this is the difference between AC and DC. AC generally used in our houses. Indian government supply AC currents nana, not DC, not DC. Okay, here AC means alternating current, DC means direct current. Today very important chapter nana, important topic. The topic name is rectifier. It is most important question in the final exam nana for the purpose of IP. Here today I discuss rectifier. Here what is the use of rectifier అంటే సింపుల్ గా ఏసీని దేనిగా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం నాన్న, DC. What is the rectifier నాన్న? It is a device to convert alternating current to direct current. This device is called as rectifier and this process is called as rectification. Once again, what is the rectifier man? It It is a device to convert alternating current to direct current nana AC to DC. Okay, that device is called rectifier and this process is called rectification. Important 2 marks bit. What is the rectifier? Rectifier, it is an instrument or it is a device to convert alternating current to direct current. Okay, now this is the circuit diagram. Nana, look here, Nana. Look here. This is the symbol of AC source now, which is converted DC. That means which AC will be converted DC. That is here AC now. This is converted into DC. This is called AC source. This is the symbol of AC source now in the electronics. Okay. This is the symbol of transformer now. Transformer consists of 2 coils, primary coil and secondary coil. This is the symbol of transformer now. What is the use of transformer? To transfer the current from one place to other place with the phenomena of mutual induction. Once again repeat nana. This is the transformer symbol nana. This is primary coil. This is the secondary coil. What is the use of transformer? To transfer the current from one place to other place in the phenomena of mutual induction. Here nana, I take diode nana. This is the symbol of diode nana. This is P, this is N, this is diode name T. Okay, here nana, both are connected to resistor nana. Here this is output here measure nana. This output resistor is nothing but the RL. Here what is the use of RL nana? Here to measure the RL means load resistance. According to load resistance to measure the output voltage. Here output can be taken nana. In this here input is taken. This is input nana. AC source is the input. RL is the output nana. RL is the output nana. Here and according to I explain the graph also nana. This is the time nana. This is input voltage or input current I take here. Okay. This is the output nana. To draw output nana. Look here, all of you look here nana. This is the output. This is the output nana. Here first I explain positive half cycle I take nana. First point nana, during positive half cycle I taken. Positive half cycle I taken nana. That means here current flow nana. That means current flow avvali ante according to electricity potential differences occur. Once again I repeat nana. During positive half cycle I take here to here I take nana. In the electricity current flow because of potential difference. Look here nana. Look here. Here I take positive half cycle nana. This positive half cycle flow in the circuit must be potential difference is required. Potential difference means higher potential and lower potential. Okay, plus and minus. This is the during positive half cycle. Just a few minutes back I explained transformer is working on the principle of mutual induction. That means here plus here transfer nana. Here minus here transfer. Primary coil to secondary coil. To look the diagram nana. Here P is connected to positive nana. N is connected to negative nana. This is what bias? Forward bias. Once again look here. P is connected to positive. N is connected to negative. This bias is said to be a forward bias. The diode in the forward bias to allow the current. So to allow the current nana. So here current into I into R according to Ohm's law voltage. That means here output voltage measure. Output voltage is what nana? Measure. Okay. Here that means in the during the positive half cycle, here during the positive half cycle, here plus, here minus, mutual induction, here plus transfer to here, minus transfer to here. During the positive half cycle, P is connected to positive, N is connected to negative. This bias is said to be a forward bias. Diode allow the current. Okay, so that's why here this positive half cycle allow. Look here nana. Okay, I take next nana. During negative half cycle, look here nana. During positive half cycle, D conducts the current. That means allow the current. Okay, diode D conducts the current. Next I discuss during negative half cycle. Here this is the negative half cycle nana. Negative half cycle means phase will be opposite. Here to here mathematics 180 degrees. So that's why in the diagram, look here the diagram nana. Here this plus will be converted into minus, minus will be converted into plus because opposite phase nana. Here because of mutual induction, here minus transfer here, plus transfer here. To see the diagram, P is connected to negative, that is low. N is connected to high. N is connected to positive, that is called high. This bias is said to be a reverse bias. That means during the negative half cycle, diode acts as a reverse bias. Reverse bias current flow due to minority charge carriers. Minority means very less nana. అందుకే రివర్స్ బయాస్లో ద కరెంట్ మెజర్డ్ ఇన్ మైక్రో ఆంపియర్. మైక్రో మీన్స్ 10⁻⁻6 nana. It is a very less current. So that means it will be neglect nana. So that means diode as a reverse bias. That means diode not allow the current or not conducts the current. Actually a very small current alone, but minority is a very small current. That small current is neglect. Simply called as in the forward bias, diode allow the current, or diode conducts the current. In the reverse bias, diode does not allow the current. Diode does not allow the current, and diode does not conduct the current. Okay, so that's why here during the negative half cycle, diode does not conduct the current, does not allow the current. So next positive half cycle, diode acts as a forward bias, so allow the current. Here in the during the negative half cycle, diode does not allow the current because diode has a reverse bias. Here also allow the current. Okay, that means simply to see the diagram, here to here 100%. Okay, it will be only positive half cycle allow, negative half cycle does not allow. That means simply call as 100%, approximately 50% only allow. 100% of input only allow, 50% only allow, 50%. All are on upper side, all are on positive x-axis. That means all are in only one direction. So that's why this current is called direct current. And simply AC will be converted to DC. Now next I discuss efficiency of the rectifier. Efficiency of the rectifier. Efficiency denoted by eta. Generally efficiency means output power by input power. Output DC power because AC will be converted into DC. Output DC power by input AC power. Okay nana? What is the efficiency? Efficiency ante initial ga enta తీసుకున్నాం ఫైనల్గా అవుట్పుట్ ఎంత వచ్చింది అంటే 100 తీసుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ సుమారుగా చూస్తే 50 వస్తుంది. మరి 50 వచ్చిందా, 40 వచ్చిందా, 30 వచ్చిందా చెప్పేది ఎఫిషియన్సీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎఫిషియన్సీ నానా? ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టిఫైర్. ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టిఫైర్ ఈజ్ formula is output DC power by input AC power. Once again, here output DC power by input AC power. Experimentally determined to give direct formula nana 0.406 RL by RF plus RL. What is the efficiency of half wave rectifier formula nana? 0.406 RL by RF plus RL. Generally we know that what is the RL nana? RL is a load resistance. RL is a load resistance. Again RF is internal resistance of the diode in forward bias. Internal resistance of diode in forward bias. Internal resistance of the diode in forward bias. Okay, what is the RL nana? RL is nothing but the load resistance. What is the RF nana? RF is internal resistance of diode in what bias nana? Forward bias. Small r indicate internal resistance of the diode. F indicate in what bias? Forward bias. Because in this topic, in the reverse bias, current produced only minority charge carriers. That means very less current. So in the reverse bias here, not current flow. The diode does not flow, does not allow the current, or does not conduct the current. Okay. This is the formula nana. For example, here nana, for example, I take ideal diode nana. Ideal diode. Ideal diode means in the forward bias, resistance, internal resistance becomes what nana? 0. Other in the reverse bias, resistance and the infinity. Okay. Here substitute nana in the formula. Efficiency equal to 0.406 RL by RF plus RL. Here RF 0 aithe, here RL what nana? Cancel. Efficiency equal to 0.406. It can be converted into percentages. 40.6%. Nana here that means 100% of AC, 100% of AC will be converted into 40.6% of DC for ideal diode. For ideal diode means internal resistance becomes 0 nana. That means 100% of AC will be converted into 40.6% of DC nana. This is the first phenomena. Okay. What is the formula for efficiency nana? 0.406 RL by RF plus RL. Here again, what is the theoretical definition nana? Output DC power by input AC power. Here nana, for example, look here nana, I take one cycle nana. Here input I take one cycle nana. Output we get only one pulse. Nana here how many pulses? 2 pulses. But output we get only 1 pulses. That means one cycle of input to get 1 pulse of output. The rectifier nana, half wave rectifier. Okay. Here for example, n cycles I take nana, n cycles of input I take, automatically n pulses of output nana, n pulses of output. Okay, look here nana, once again, one cycle gives 1 pulse, 2 cycles to gives 2 pulses, 3 cycles to give 3 pulses, n cycles to give n pulses of output, n cycles of input to get n cycles of output, n cycles of output. In the diagram, to see here, this is the half wave rectifier diagram. Nana. In the half wave rectifier here, how many diodes are taken? Only single diode. Epudaina in the given problem, single diode can be used. That rectifier is called half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier. In the next class, I discuss full wave rectifier. That is also most important topic, 8 marks topic. Nana.